So DevSecOps helps to solve a lot of threats for a business of any size. Firstly, from a cybersecurity perspective, I'm going to use technology like Kubernetes and containerization to reduce the attack surface of my network to the smallest point possible. You can configure an application container so that it's only running what the service depends on in order for it to work. So I'm not worried about having a virtual machine running a Microsoft server with 100 applications on it that I'll never use. And if any one of those applications becomes vulnerable, not only is there overhead with scanning it, finding the problem and fixing it, but there's also the fact that the threat exists, the vulnerability exists. And in an application container that's created only to hold the dependencies and services that are needed to execute a specific function, the attack surface is much smaller, so there's less opportunity for a threat actor to exploit that. The other threat is, again, change. So, the needs of business happen very quickly. Businesses need to capitalize on opportunities, and not just businesses, but all types of organizations. When there's an opportunity to develop and deliver something new, the need is usually now. We need it now. And so when you use a DevSecOps process powered by a continuous delivery pipeline, you can provide that capability very quickly because you're not handing it off to a cybersecurity analyst to spend the next 2 weeks trying to learn a brand new technology and say that it's okay to implement.